Here we're looking at an SMC Emperor ceiling fan in antique brass. As you can see here, it's shown with the light kit and cane blades. And everything to this fan is original except for the light kit. So basically this fan showed up at my local Habitat restore and had no light, but the bottom of the switch housing was open, so I added the light to it to complete it, basically. So this fan does not move very fast on high, and I'll show you what I mean by that. But let's get a close-up. And this globe is also not original to the light kit. Also, one of the blades are damaged here because when I got this fan, the cane side was facing up to the ceiling and the plane side was facing down. And where that little bit of damage is, there was a balancing weight there, which is completely not needed for this fan. It doesn't shake at all, so I don't know why that was there. But let's start off with the light here. Here's low. And it does have the original SMC pool fob. And let's put up the medium now. It's got like an average low. We'll go ahead and put up the medium now. There's medium. Let's go put up the high now. It's got a rather small motor inside of this fan, so I don't know if the sluggishness on high speed is because of a drifting capacitor or if it's just natural for this fan. I mean, I'm really not sure. But it's not that terribly slow, so I'm not really worried about it. It moves okay air, but it certainly could be better. And like I said before about, I'm not sure why that balancing weight was on there. As you can see, this fan does not shake at all. It's completely still. And of course, I wanted to put the cane side down because I think cane looks way nicer. And so I had to peel that balancing weight off. And we'll let the fan coast now. And show the spin down. Also, I forgot to mention this fan seen here dates to May of 1992. Alright, and there you pretty much have it for this antique brass SMC Emperor ceiling fan.